Busyang 18 once again guys, and samahan niyo ako for today's vlog. Ako ay pupunta sa hospital because it's my yearly check-up guys. So tara, samahan niyo ako. How's the treatment in 5-star na hospital? So come on, let's go. So, nagising talaga ako na may coffee. May pa-coffee. And ito guys, pagising ko, meron ng mga results. So, ganito ka ready. Ganito ka bilis ng mga pangyayari guys. So, ayan. Tapos na yung procedure ko. And ito, the results is ready na talaga. So diba, ang galing, ang bilis lang. Pero syempre may mga other pa na aantayin ng mga
kasi
reports.
guys, it's useful
kasi
na din
guys,
talaga
na mag-yearly check-up. Lalo na at umiidad na din tayo. Pero of course, siyang 18 is 18 pa din talaga yung kanyang heart. But ayan, as a reminders, na kailangan talaga natin na may yearly check-up guys. Let's monitor yung mga pangyayari ng ating body. So ayan guys. So, natutuwa talaga ako sa service in this hospital kasi feel ko talaga there is a special care. Ang galing ng mga nag-e-instruct. I am a satisfied customer talaga in this pa-yearly check-up ko.
Kaya after that one guys, at may time pa talaga si Busyang 18 na mag-ikot-ikot. Tara, samahan niyo ako guys. Ano pa yung ma-experience natin dito? Nakaka-amaze talaga yung place na to. Parang feeling mo hindi hospital. So check it out guys. Samahan niyo ako guys. Come on!
So ikot-ikot tayo guys kung ano pala ang makikita natin dito sa Burj Al Hospital, the 5-star hospital in UAE. So in the 3rd floor of Burj Al. What I like most here in Burj Al is coffee. So this is the 2nd floor guys of Burj Al Hospital. Here is my favorite stop, my favorite place guys. So look at this, just so, and wow. Situated, we are here on the 2nd floor, so staff, patient can have some food in here, and this is the ambience guys. So as you can see, this is it, just so relaxing. But really this is my favorite place here guys because of this one. Busyang 18 is here. Nagti-chill lang. Diba? Chilling day of Busyang 18. Burj Al is so amazing. The 5-star hospital of UAE. So guys, Busyang 18 is here. nag-iikot-ikot sa Virgil Hospital. Na-miss ko tong place na to kasi kasama ko to in 5 years. So, dito kami usually if nagtitake kami ng break. So, the second floor of Virgil Hospital, the dining area. And while nagda-dine ka, yan yung background, the live piano. O, diba? Kakatuwa. The live piano over there. Yan ang over there. So, Virgil is so amazing. Diba? Nakakamiss talaga dito. So, guys. Again, may annual check-up. Diba? Nagpapa-check up. Kasi sayang naman yung ating mga insurances. Isang favorite ko talaga dito, guys. Ayun, guys, yung kapihan. Free yan dito, guys. At napakaganda ng dito. Ng internet. So, yan din yung makikita natin sa labas dyan, guys. So, baba tayo, guys. Here's the elevator. Okay ba? Okay ba, guys? Just check this one. What you need. So, for me, what I need is cafe latte. So, it's here in Virgil, guys. Free coffee for all the clients. May vending machine. So guys, dito muna upo exhibition natin. Magkakape tayo, guys. While having this piano. O, diba? Akala mo mall, no? Pero this is the Hospital of Virgil. Only here in Abu Dhabi. Diba ang ganda mag-chill dito, guys. Nag-enjoy talaga ako. I miss Virgil Hospital. Kasi andito ako for 5 years. And ngayon is my yearly check-up. Kaya andito ako ulit. So, chilling here. Dito tayo sa lobby ng Virgil Hospital, guys. So, nag-chill. So we are here in the 5-star hospital in Abu Dhabi, the Virgil. Only here in Abu Dhabi of UAE. So, diba? Na-feel nyo yung napipil ko na nag-chill talaga ako dito, guys. Diba? Nag-enjoy dito sa loob ng hospital nito. Parang mall, diba? Only here in Virgil Hospital of Abu Dhabi. Wherever you are, Day. Thank you God for the successful day na naganap sa buhay ni Busyang 18. Thank you for the good reports, the good results. Thanks for giving me the opportunity. Every day is the opportunity to have a good life. Thank you so much. And ito guys, as a reminders na sa ating lahat na lalo na sa ngayon na talagang umi-increase yung ating edad. So, have a yearly check-up guys. And monitor talaga natin yung ating katawan sa mga, lalo sa mga changes. This is Busyang 18 saying that just try to balance our life. Just stay simple, beautiful, healthy, and young. God bless everyone. See you and the next vlog. Stay healthy everyone. Kasi mas masaya pag tumandang healthy ka. Mas na-enjoy mo yung golden years mo. God bless us all. Bye.